Hey guys, Jess Starr here with the Starr team at Keller Williams Realty. I am sitting in our amazing new listing. This one feels like you've walked into the pages of Architectural Digest. I just love this home. If I was in the market right now, I would scoop this one up so fast. This one is 231 Stratton Brook Road in Simsbury, part of West Simsbury, in the Tooten Hills Elementary School District. This property is actually 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. There's a first floor primary and a second floor primary. The second floor primary has the ensuite bath attached, which is nice. It's got this amazing open floor plan, as you can see. Great dining area. It's also all open to the living room over here too, with custom built-ins. There are 3 fireplaces in this house, partially finished lower level. It is just perfect for entertaining, tons of custom woodwork throughout. What I love about it is this open floor plan, because if you wanted to entertain, I mean, you can be cooking, you can be entertaining your guests. Look at this remodeled kitchen. It is absolutely beautiful with this massive island here too. And the way they position the cooktop is great too, just so you can be a part of the action. I love that they have a beverage bar over here for coffee, wine, whatever you want. And even back here is a first floor laundry. So you've got a great living room, a separate den over here, a first floor primary and second floor primary. What is not to love? There's also solar panels, a great little gazebo, massive paver patio out back, and you've got a jacuzzi as well. So if you want to get more information on this property, you better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or you can visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.